When the night is darkest, the whispers begin. Sarah was about to face her worst fear. In the dead of night, Sarah woke to a familiar sound. Her mum's voice calling her from the kitchen. Groggy and confused, she stumbled out of bed. The hallway was cold, her heart heavy with dread. "Mum!" she called, her voice trembling. But the reply she got wasn't her mother's. A whisper, cold and eerie, I heard it too. Sarah froze. The kitchen, dark and silent. The lights flickered. A shadow crossed the doorway. Her breath caught in her throat. Then, from the stairs, her mum's voice, quivering with fear. "Don't go down there, honey, I heard it too." But it was already too late.